video is to show you where to find everything you're going to need for our course. So, looking at our Schoology page for whatever your course may be, whether it's Intro to Algebra, Consumer Math, Algebra 1, they're all going to be laid out the same. At the top of the page, you should see an About This Class folder. If you click on that folder, in there you're going to see two things. The first thing is going to be the syllabus. The syllabus we will have gone over in class. However, if you ever need to refer back to it, it can be found right there in that folder. The other thing is very important, and it is our Zoom information. So if you click on that, you're going to see our meeting time for whatever course you're going to be in, so it would vary by hour. You're also going to see how to access it. So if I'm taking a look at this, I could go ahead and I could either just click on this link when it comes time to join our Zoom, or I could go into the Zoom app or the Zoom website on a browser, and I could join the meeting using this meeting ID and passcode. Regardless what method you use to enter our Zoom, you are going to be put into a waiting room, and I will go ahead and I will let you into the course. In here, you will also notice some guidelines for using our Zoom sessions. Again, remembering that everyone starting in week 4 will be Zooming on Wednesdays, and then our flex students will be Zooming in on our B days. Going back, we can go ahead and see what else is in here. Each week is going to have a new folder in it. Our first week currently doesn't have a whole lot of stuff in it. It will have our weekly overview in it. I'll show you the second week one, which will give you a little bit more information. In here, if I clicked on one of these things with the little rulers on them, those would be some videos that I could go ahead and watch. Going back into week 2, when we actually get into some material, you're going to start to want to look at our overviews. Any important information will be across the top above the table. And then in the table, I will tell you what we're going to be doing that week for our in-class days, and then what your at-home work is going to be. So this class, for example, is going to have some integer worksheets due, and they're also going to have a worksheet on classifying numbers. And then they're going to give some other information about what should be done before the next time they come to an actual in-class day. The last column is going to tell you any upcoming assessments that you might have. So this class will have a quiz in week 3 and a test in week 4. If we wanted to get a look at specific assignments, we could go ahead and we can click on here. So right now I only have one assignment uploaded, but I could click on it. It gives me the information, and if I wanted to actually access the assignment, I would go ahead and I could click on the PDF and it would open it. And then I could go ahead and I could work on it in either Notability or whatever I wanted to use. I'll do another video on how to actually submit your work via Schoology.